Beverly, hi, yes, I received a proposal. No, I haven't read it yet. Yeah, I'm about to. Hold up, thoughts. Hello? Yeah, uh, everything is fine. I'll call you back. Yeah, I'll talk to you later.
So yeah, say you not tell me when you're forward.
No, I'm not tell you. I want to come catch you wherever you do.
Catch me with what? I want them mad woman ya.
I'm more than 2 months now, I'm not there.
So what that mean?
That means say you almost arrived you.
Share. Me can hold out, you know.
And that man always say, and then find some skirt tail for cool off on the steam.
Me no like the style here.
Which style?
So why you style me as Uno man? Me no pre like no other man, you know. Me have my own self, you know, one vicious this, you know.
So what you say? Since I'm gone, I don't feel for nothing.
Me never say that. Me a human, you know. But me only assure you say me can hold out.
Hello, Vanessa.
What are you people doing here?
We need to talk.
No, we don't.
It's not a request.
Don't look at me. I'm the deputy today.
Please excuse me if I don't offer you a seat. I'm hoping that this won't be long. Am I being followed?
Huh?
Because this location is not open to the general public.
Me hear you. So tell me something, how the two bar them a go on?
Them a go on good, you know. Right now, me I tell you say I just you miss me.
I soon come home, babe. I just go and spend some time with my father.
Share. Remember say you have a man and a business a yard, you hear that?
I know. I just still want to spend look more time with him to get to know him better.
Me overs babes. So it a go so far.
Good enough. But him now I'm leave. I'm glad say me did come and come here film side of the story.
Remember me did tell you say you always have two sides to a story, you see?
True. So I'm going with Butcher. How him do?
Oh, you know about that?
Because it there in the news and I realize say you never said nothing to me about it.
I never want to bother you with that, Sherry. But remember say me and him never did good before that, you know.
Yeah. But I know about Uno and on the borough code.
Nobody worry about that. Because right now my mate's not there, so you see?
So how it is a deal with it?
In my wallet, you know. You just have to try find out if anybody see anything, you see me?
We? What you mean we have to find out?
Oh, yes, we know. But, oh, I'm sorry. I'm not the one who's doing the talking. Agent T?
We haven't spoken since the incident at the house.
It's been over a week. And I'm fine with not speaking. I actually have nothing to say.
That's okay. You listen, I'll talk. Let me formally introduce you to my boss, David Mullins.
Oh.
Yes. The man responsible for the hub of mercenaries he calls an agency. Can't say it's a pleasure.
Oh, wow. I've never heard that one before. And I've heard quite a number of them. You know something? Let me write down that. Hub of mercenaries. I like that one.
Me mean him. Me mean him.
Nobody change them out. We say, when you want to find out that for, you know police?
You know some more while you pretty things too deep though.
Orlando, try nobody get yourself involved with them again, you know. Cause it nah go work out between me and you.
Sure. Me no done tell you some meds not there so be.
But just as say,
Say something else, cause right now me no want to talk about that.
me have to go leave you now, yeah? Cause my father come pick me up because me and him a go up on the road, so later me talk.
Alright, babe. We talk to you later.
Come in, daddy.